Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix this black icon PDF files, and it is not showing the thumbnails of the PDF files but it is showing a black box. So how you can fix this? Let's get started. In order to do this, what you have to do is search for Adobe Acrobat in your search results. Just search Adobe Acrobat, open this and then click on this three lines menu. When you click on this, then click on preferences. Once you open this, here you will find enable PDF thumbnail previews in Windows Explorer. Uncheck this, click OK and click yes and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem should be solved, and if your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.